So often we are mere passers-by. We look away from each other, away from what is going on just under our noses. Well, how could my participation possibly change anything? What could I possibly do? But you can do something? Yes, I can do something. Do something right now. Just an idea. Just go. Meet the stranger with the same color as the balloon and find out what is it that you both find important for our society. Find a small thing you could both do to make a difference.
Try to find a balloon. Yes, that is the same color as your balloon. So I have green, I have to find green. Okay. Tak?
A kaj bomo napravili? Znotraj smo vsi enaki.
Don't try to be useful, just try to be yourself. It will make the difference. 3, 2, 1. Evo.
3, 2,
1.
Zdaj.
Go.